Hey guys, it's Brian at Black Star Reptiles. Today we're going to review our third clutch of the year. We had 8 eggs and we got 8 babies. It was a Black Pastel to a Mojave Het Monsoon, and we're looking for Het Monsoons. So we're going to start off with snake 1. They're a little bit feisty, so I'm going to try to keep them up. But first one was a Black Pastel Mojave. Really pretty snake. We went ahead and genetic tested her, and she ended up testing out as Het Monsoon also. So that's kind of cool. We're gonna put her back. This whole clutch for some reason is a little bit feisty. We're gonna switch to this one. This is our second. Let me make sure I get her so I don't squish her. This is the second snake. Another Black Pastel Mojave. Her clutch, or her skin, is out to be genetic tested, so we don't know if she's Het Monsoon or not. But really pretty dark snake. Definitely a Black Pastel Mojave. We ended up getting a mix of all of them. So let's flip. I think this is number 3. So this is a Black Pastel Mojave also. A little bit yellower than some. Come here. She's gonna set and just do a close up. She's a little feisty right now. But really yellow and blacks, very pretty. She also came back as Het Monsoon, so I'm not sure which one I'm gonna keep, whether I keep this one or I keep the darker one. This one's got a little bit more yellows, but she's a Black Pastel. And we're waiting on genetic tests on 5 of these still, but the 2 were Het Monsoon. I do have a normal that wasn't. So this is going to be number 4. So number 4 was just a monsoon, or not a monsoon, a Mojave. So really dark colors. She may have Black Pastel on her. She looks like she's got a lot of black in her. Not 100% sure though. But really, definitely a really nice looking snake for the 4th snake of the clutch. I'm always going to be real careful with them because they're all a little feisty right now. Come on over here. She wants to get out. That's a Black Pastel. So the Black Pastels are usually have been really nice. So this right here, these are the 5th and 6th snakes of the clutch, and they're both Black Pastels. Both genetic testing has been sent out, so we don't want to mix them up. But both really nice Black Pastels. We'll go ahead and switch these with the 2 normals. Our last 2 snakes of the clutch ended up being 2 normals. Actually, this one might be Black Pastel. Nope. There were 2 normals, and they're both right there. This one's a little darker, if you can see. A little feisty too, but she wants to get at somebody, but she's a little darker. Her shed didn't come off her head, but for the most part, she's ready to go. And then this one ended up being just a really normal. Yeah, they just like to shoot at anything, but really normal color, no difference. But she did not turn out to be Het Monsoon. But anyway, that's our update for clutch number 3. We'll continue on the updates for the other clutches, but this has been a fun clutch because they all want to just bite you. Once you hold them and once you pick them up, kind of runs out. But man, they just like, look at this. I'm not even close, and they just want to strike at you. So I usually cover them up, get them a little wet. Once you do that, you can hold them. They just need to be held more, and I don't have time to hold them all. So yeah. Anyway, like, subscribe.